What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to solve radical equations. I'm going to show you different examples. The first example is 3 root 6b plus 3 minus 25 equals to 50. The answer is 3 root 6b plus 3. I moved negative 25 to the right hand side. It will be 50 plus 25, which will be 75. And then I divide both sides by 3. So when you divide both sides by 3, the left hand side will be 6b plus 3. The right hand side becomes 75 divided by 3, which is 25. Then I can find out the square of both sides. Therefore, it's going to be the square and square root cancel each other. It will be 6b plus 3. And here we have 25 to the power of 2. 25 to the power of 2 is going to be 625. And then I move this 3 to the right hand side. It will be 6b equals to 625 minus 3, which will be 622. And then we can divide it by 6, both sides. It's going to be 622 divided by 6, which will be 311 divided by 3. If you reduce it, we cannot reduce it further. Next example will be root 4z minus 3 equals to root 3z plus 2. So the answer will be, if we square both sides, it's going to be 4z minus 3 equals to 3z plus 2. Therefore, it's going to be, I'm going to move 3z to the left hand side and negative 3 to the right hand side. It's going to be 4z minus 3z equals to 3 plus 2. Then it's going to be z equals to 5. That's the final answer. Next example is root 2x minus 5 equals to 5x plus 3. The answer is, when you square both sides, it will be 2x minus 5 equals to 5x plus 3. Therefore, I move the 5x to the left hand side. It will be 2x minus 5x. And I move negative 5 to the right hand side. It will be 5 plus 3. So that makes it negative 3x equals to 8. Or x will be equals to negative 8 over 3 if you divide both sides by negative 3. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding math and science and lots of other videos regarding square roots and radicals. Thank you, and I will come back soon with another video.